The AK Authentication Error 7005 on iPhone typically pertains to issue related to the Apple servers or connectivity problems with iCloud services. So in order to fix that, you'll have to go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the General. Then tap on the Software Update and ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues with iCloud authentication. So if there is any download or install option available in the software update, then make sure to download it. After you complete this, go back to the General again and scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on the Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. So that's it. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the AK Authentication Error 7005 on your iPhone. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.